Hi guys, welcome to Future Leaders Academy guys. So guys, today's class we will discuss the important concept that is balancing chemical equation. Okay, most important question, very important question guys. It will be asked in an exam continuously guys. First chapter balancing chemical equations. Okay now, that's a very important concept in a first chapter. Okay now, chemical reaction and equation chapter. Okay, guys. So, what exactly is a balancing chemical equation? Okay, now what can be done in this one? Okay, so guys, balancing equation is nothing but make sure that the LHS must be equal to RHS. Okay, now LHS must be equal to RHS. That is what balancing is. For example, here 10 atoms are there, 10 atoms. So in this side should be 10 atoms only, 10 atoms. Okay, no one less or no one greater than or else more than the LHS. Okay, LHS must be equal to RHS or RHS must be equal to the LHS. That is what we can say the balancing chemical equation. Clear? Balancing chemical equation ಅಂದ್ರೆ LHS side ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪರಮಾಣುಗಳು RHS side ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. Atoms ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ. Okay, if there is a change in the atoms number of the atoms, so the law of conservation of mass will be violated. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲಾ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, ದ ಮಾಸ್ ನೀದರ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ನೀದರ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ balancing equation and what can be done in the balancing equation. Okay na guys, 1 minute I'll clear it all. Sure. So guys, this is what the definition of law of conservation of mass, and by this law only we have to follow this. Listen here. So mass cannot be created or destroyed. Okay, the number of atoms of each element must be the same on the both the sides of the chemical equation. It means that guys, for example, I'm writing here NaOH is reacting with HCl. HCl, it will form the NaCl plus H2O. This is not called a skeletal equation. Skeletal equation in the sense guys, unbalanced equation. Okay, unbalanced equation is also called the skeletal equation. Okay, skeletal meaning is unbalanced. So this is what balanced equation. We will not call, I'm mentioning, we will not call guys, focus on the word. Okay, we will not call unbalanced equation. Which equation? Above equation. Because sodium is also 1 and here of sodium 1 is 1. Here Cl, chlorine is 1 and chlorine is 1. Okay, and here H is 1 and 2. This is what LHS side, and totally this is RHS side. So here also H is 2 is there. Only 1 O is there. So this is one common example to make you understand. In today's class guys, very important concept, that is a method I will tell you, that is coefficient method or as ABCD method we can call. So by that method you can completely understand, and within 30 seconds guys you can solve. Within 30 seconds you can solve the equation guys. I will give you surety, I will give a guarantee on that. Okay guys, let's be continuously watching our videos, so then definitely will understand this. Okay now, don't skip the video. Okay, don't take it 10 seconds, 20 seconds, skip the videos. Okay, watch continuously. Clear? So we will make you understand the everything concept in the science. Okay, the next is, so let me take next concept. What are the steps involved in this? Okay guys, steps to balance steps to balance a chemical equation. What are the steps? These are the steps guys, where we have to follow the steps to balance the chemical equation. Now chemical equation balance ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ steps ಅನ್ನ follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clear? So next, write first one, write the unbalanced equation. ಓ ಹೋತಾ ಇದೆ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ NH3 oxidation of ammonia then it will give you nitrogen oxide plus H2O but it is not completely balanced. I'm sure about it. It's not balanced, it's a unbalanced. So we have to write it like this. First we have to take this one, then list the number of atoms each element on the both the side. We have to list out. For example, nitrogen in this side, one nitrogen is there. This side is one is there. Hydrogen are three, and here it's two. Oxygen is two. Here only one. So like that, we have to just count down. Just we have to make it counting, or else we have to may have a list of the atoms present in the LHS side. So I'll make you understand what exactly LHS side. LHS meaning I will tell you. LHS meaning. Just now I have written the equation. Okay, for example, NH3 plus O2. This will give you sodium oxide, sorry, nitrogen oxide, and next one will be release of plus H2O. H2O. Okay, H2O. Water release of there. Water release of. So up to this arrow mark it is LHS, and after the arrow mark it is RHS. Then sir, what is this one, sir? Don't think right. Okay, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Just product ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this will show you the product side arrow mark. Okay, don't worry about the extra things. What can be studied, just study that one. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Next thing. List the number of atoms of each element on the both of this side. This is what this counting LHS side and RHS side and listing the number of atoms with that element. And adjust the coefficient to balance the atoms. Never change the subscript. We should not change the subscript. Means whatever you have substituted and whatever the numbers is given, we shouldn't change it. Okay, for example, NH3 is that NH3 only. We shouldn't change that. Okay, now after here, sir, we will write NH3, NH4, ammonium. We will write. It will not happen like that. Okay, now whatever the formula is given, and we have to follow that. Next thing. Check your work. Atoms should match on both the sides. Finally, after the balancing, we must check the whether LHS is equal to RHS or no. We have to check it. These are the main concept, common steps involved in the balancing chemical equations. Okay, so let's take a moment for the balancing chemical equation. Okay, listen. One image I had given here, this is what common example you to show you that. For example, these are atoms are there. CH4. For example, it's a carbon, and these are the hydrogen atoms. Okay, that is what CH4. And here that is 2O2 means O2 means two molecules of two atoms of oxygen or else one molecule of oxygen. There are two molecules of oxygen is there. Nothing but four oxygen is there. Okay, here CO2 plus H2O, 2H2. This is H2O, and this is oxygen. So oxygen and H2, 1, 2. This is H2O and H2O. There are two H. ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ನಾಲ್ಕಿದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ಎರಡಿದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಎರಡಿದೆ LHS ಸೈಡ್ 4 ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೂಡ 4 ಇದಾವೆ ಹೌದಾ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆನಾ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2 into 2 4 ಇದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು just for your understanding purpose I had given this one and next guys next one first equation and how to solve how to write this one. First of all guys I will tell you we have to break these things first section second section third section fourth section just divide yours okay na clear na name that one. For example I'll name this as a like A section, then B section, C section, then section D. I have named. I will name like this. Okay, now. So what I will follow that in a section A, I have to go on counting the elements. Only first element. If I take a calcium, we have to check out only for the calcium in the all the side. For example, calcium. I'll take for the calcium, I'll like write like this. For calcium, I'm going to calculate. So then in A section, how many calcium are there? Only one is there. So I will write only A. A I'll write. Then here in a B section, there is no calcium. And here in the section C, there are three calcium are there. So I will write it. A is equal to 3C. Why 3C? Three calcium are there in which section? 3 section. Sorry, C section. Okay. Next, about a calcium H4. I think here there is no any calcium. Next, carbon. Next element is carbon. One by one, separate atoms we have to go on taking the to calculate the its values. Okay now. Next, I'll write here carbon. So I'll underline like this. So I'll understand easily. Okay now. So carbon. How many carbon are there? Only one is there. So I will write directly A is equal to how many carbon here? No carbon. And here it is okay. D is equal to 1. Is A equal to D. A equal to D. Next one, I'll take O. For O, I have to calculate. How many O are there here? 3 O are there. So 3A. 3A. In A section only 3 are there. Means 3 will be multiplied to A. Then here in the B, A plus I will add. Because here plus is there. Don't forget. Don't forget. Plus is there. So plus 4B. I'll add 4B because in a B section it is that. 4B is equal to this arrow mark says you have to take it is equal to for particular atom if you are calculating. Okay. So is equal to how many oxygen are there here? There are 4 into 2, there are 8C. 8C is that. And this is what in a D section there are 3 plus 3 3D. Okay. Then next we'll come to the H. Next one, that is H. For H we have to calculate. Yeah. Yeah. 3B. 3B is equal to 2D. 3B is equal to 2D. The next one remaining is plus phosphorus. That is P. B is equal to P for P. B is equal to 2C. Because this 2 will be multiplied to this one. 2C. Understand? Next guys, just let let I'll take because C here C is there, C is there, and here also C is there. If I take C na, this will become valued. We can calculate easily. Okay, let C is equal to 1. Let C equal to 1. Clear? Which one you are going to take 1 so that you can get easily values of other coefficients. Okay. So here, if I take C is as a 1, C value 1. Okay. Then here we will get A is equal to 3 into 1, that is equal to 1, 3 only. Okay. So A value is 3. Then here 1 is 3 is equal to, because A value we got that, A value substitute here is equal to D. Then D value we got that, A value we got it, then C value we got it. Only we want B value. Listen guys. Here 3A. Okay, 3A plus 4B is equal to 8C plus 3D. Okay, now next, listen to me. Okay, 3 into 3. Sorry, guys. So, yes. 3 into 3 plus 4 in 4B is equal to 8 into 1 plus 3 into D value कितना है 3. Yes, 3. So this is what 9 plus 4B is equal to 8 plus 9. Okay, 9 plus 4B is equal to 17. 17. Okay, 17 is this. It is. And 4B is equal to 17 minus 9. So 4B is equal to 8. B is equal to 8 by 2, 8 by 4, 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So that is equal to B is that I will get B is equal to 2. We got the number. B value as a 2. Then what is left? We all have calculated this one. Yes, B value we got it. Then everything is we got it. No need to calculate for these numbers. Okay now? Don't worry. If you calculate now 3B B value 2 means 6 equal to 2D. Okay, D value तो मिला है हमको. Yes or no? D equal to 6 by 2. Then 2 on the reason. Again, we will get same values. Same value will be. Okay. So please remember, I'll clear A equal to C1, A3 and B2. Then D equal to 3. Okay. Just I erase it. A3 is there, C1 is there, D3. Okay. Now guys, let me write the equation here so that you can understand clearly whether this equation is balanced or not. Okay. I'm not clearing everything, just if I clear you cannot remember. Now guys, C, that is A value 3Ca 3Ca CO3 plus B value is 2H3PO4. Then it will give you C value is 1 only, so that I can write Ca3 PO4 PO4 twice plus next I will write that D value is 3H2CO3. So just guys you check out 3Ca. So here 3Ca is there and carbon is 3. 3 into 1, 3. So 3 into 1 is 3, carbon is balanced. And 3 into 3, 9. 9O plus 8, 17 oxygen. Yes or no? 8 plus 9, 17. Here it is 8 plus 9, 17. Good, balanced. Then 6 of hydrogen. Then 2 into H, 2 into 3, 6 hydrogen. Balanced. So equation is balanced, guys. Like this we can balance the following equations. Okay, ಇದು clear ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Next same example in the quick, yeah, N, that is A equal to C, then hydrogen, that is 3A is equal to 2D, then next one is oxygen, that is 2B is equal to, I had taken A, 2B is equal to 2B is equal to C plus D. C plus D. Okay, C plus D. Next, let, I'll take here, let A equal to 1. A equal to 1. So 1 equal to C. C value you got it. Then 3 is equal to 2D. Then D is equal to 3 by 2. 2B is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2. 2B is equal to 5 by 2. B is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, this is what we get. Hope it is not visible to you. That's is equal to 5 by 4. Just write the equation and with the substituting the values of A, B, C and D. Okay, I'll write it here. So NH3 plus O2, O2. Before writing O2, how much is the value of that? See, B value is plus 5 by 4 O2. That will give you C value is 1 only, so that is NO, nitrogen oxide, plus what is the value of D? D value is 3 by 2 H2O. Multiply. If you want to cancel this, so we have to check out. If you multiply 2, again it will be remaining 2, that is 5 by 2 will be remaining. So just multiply into 4 on the both side. So 4 NH3 plus 5 O2 means if I write 4 here, this both will cancel. 5 O2, it will give you 4 NO plus 3 by 2 means if I write 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 will be remaining, that is 6 H2O. Now the equation is completely balanced, guys. Equation is completely balanced. Okay, no any doubt. You can check out. There are 4 NH3, NH3 means 4 N are there. Here also 4 N are there. There are 12 hydrogen. 6 into 2, 12 hydrogen. 10 oxygen. 4 plus 6. There are 10 oxygen. Balanced. Equation is balanced. Okay. Next one. Okay, very easiest one. So C4H10 plus O2. C4 means butane. Okay na? Butane. Oxidation of butane. So guys, again you consider this A, B, C and D. A, B, C, and D. Okay. Now, guys, just take a look at this one. I write here for calculating C, that is 4A is equal to C. Only here it is there. Then for H, 10A is equal to 10A is equal to 2D. Then for oxygen it is 2B is equal to 2B is equal to 2C plus D, 2C plus D. Okay, I'll consider let let A is equal to 1. Let A equal to 1. So 4 is equal to C. I got C value also. Then 10 is equal to 2D. So D is equal to 10 by 2. That's nothing but 5. Okay. Okay. Then D value we got D equal to 5. D equal to 5. Then 2B is equal to 2 into 4 plus D value is 5. Okay. 2B is equal to 8 plus 5. 2B is equal to 13. Then B is equal to 13 by 2. Then B value we got it. Just substitute the values here. That is A value is 1, C4H10 plus B value 13 by 2O2 plus C value is 4CO2 plus H2O. Before writing H2O, D value plus D value is 5H2O. 5H2O. Okay, na? D value is 5. Next is, so just multiply 2 in the both the sides. So 2C 2 1 minute guys. Yes. 2C4H10 2C4H10 plus, if I multiply a 2, then 2 to get cancelled. So 13O2 plus 8CO2 plus 10H2O balanced. Equation is balanced. Now check it out guys. How? There is 2 into 2, 2 into 4, 8. Here 8 carbon is there. And hydrogen is 20. 10 into 2, that is 20 hydrogen is there. How many oxygen are there? 26 are there. 8 into 2, 16. 10 into 1, 10. 10 plus 16, that is 20. Equation is balanced. Understand guys? So ತಿಳಿತಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನ 30 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ write it or you can balance it within 30 seconds guys. One homework for you all guys, just solve and comment it. If it not possible, then definitely I will solve it for you. This is the common simple, very simple is there. Just try it. Okay, then attend the next class. Just I had given ABC also here. A, B, C and D. Okay, is it clear guys? Oh, those three example made you to understand completely about the balancing chemical equation by the ABCD method or a coefficient method guys. Okay, so thanks for watching the video guys with a patientfully. Okay now, we will see you in the next video with the remaining concept of the chemical reaction equation chapter guys. Okay now, so ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನೋ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್. I'll definitely use the Kannada more words, okay, to make you understand. Okay, guys. So thank you once again. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.